If you want to boost testosterone naturally and finally lose the belly fat in 2026, you're in the right spot. In this video, I'm showing you the diet that boosts testosterone, the 45-minute workouts, and the secret weapon most men over 40 completely ignore. By the end of this video, you'll have the full plan to hit March 1st as a different man. So stay with me. Most fitness advice for men over 40 comes from guys who are always fit. They build their muscle at 20s, 30s, and they stay that way to their 40s. They don't know what is it like to look in the mirror and see 40 years of being overweight. Well, I do. I spent 40 years of my life out of shape. Not an athlete, I'm a regular guy with a business to run and a family to take care of. Let's talk about losing fat after 40. We've been told to eat less. We've been told to eat salad and oats. That works when you're 20, but at our age, it's a trap. I used to starve myself. I would drop to 1,500 calories. I was hungry, I was weak, and I still had a gut. My body was stuck. This happened because of stress. When you eat healthy grains and seed oils, your body stays inflamed. Your cortisols spike. It locks your fat cells and burns your muscle instead. This is how you get skinny fat. I stopped eating less and started eating meat. Right now I'm eating 2,600 calories, mostly ground beef, ribeyes, eggs, and butter, and the fat is falling off. The secret is keeping insulin low. Even healthy carbs keep your insulin high. And when insulin is high, you cannot burn belly fat. To lose the belly fat, you have to stop the inflammation. For me, that meant going full carnivore. For 40 years, I was bloated. I had a brain fog. I thought I was getting old, but when I switched to an animal-based nutrition, everything changed. And I get it. People are scared of animal fat, right? It's not good for us, they say. But your body needs cholesterol to make testosterone. If you eat a low-fat, vegan, or plant-based diet, you're starving your manhood. When you eat steak and eggs, you're giving the body the building blocks for hormone. The brain fog goes away. You wake up with energy. The pain in your knees, that was just inflammation from sugar and seed oils. On carnivore, that pain vanishes. This is the ultimate metabolism reset for men over 40, and I'm the proof for it. In a second, I'll show you how this meat fuel helps you build muscle in a very little time. In the gym, don't do too much. Carnivore gives you incredible recovery, but don't waste it. I only lift weights 3 days a week for 45 minutes. That's it. We focus on big movement, incline presses, pull-up, rows, focusing on slow, steady movement. We want to send a signal to the body to keep the muscle. When you are on carnivore, your body is in a building mode. You don't need 2 hours in the gym to see results. Get in, send the signal, and get out. Stay with me because the next part is where the carnivore diet really shows its power. I'm about to talk about the most important part for men over 40, recovery. On a meat-based diet, your body repairs itself faster, but you still need to sleep. I used to wake up tired. Now I wake up before my alarm. This is what happens when your hormones are right. You have to give the muscle time to grow. You build it while you sleep. If you're not sleeping 7 or 8 hours, you're wasting all the good nutrition. Rest days are just as important as gym days. I'm about to reveal the secret weapon that makes this carnivore plan work. Alright, you ready for me? The secret weapon is the daily walk. Sounds too simple, but for men on carnivore, it is the perfect low-stress fat burner. Walking lowers your cortisol. It helps your body use the fat you're eating for fuel. It keeps your joints moving. I hit my steps every single day to keep my metabolism firing up without making me tired. Are you thinking about trying carnivore? Are you scared of the fat? Or are you already doing it? Drop a comment below. I want to hear your carnivore story. I spent 40 years failing because I follow the wrong rules. Carnivore changed my life at 41. March 1st is the day you become a new man. I wrote down my full 90-day 2026 roadmap in the PDF for you. It has nutrition, the 3-day workouts, and the most important supplement for men over 40. Don't miss that. Stop guessing. Click the link in the description, download the roadmap, and let's get to work for 2026. I'll see you on the next one. I'm your boy Ash. stay up, stay focused.